Right, you guys, today is the day we're putting her into the water. Splash day. Got all buffed up. So now we'll see the guys from the boat yard and see what else we need to do. So that topic mast stepping will be a little bit of a challenge because she got a keel step mast, so we need some help with that. Alright, you guys, so today's the day, like I just said, so we're trying to splash her today. The mast is still on top of the boat, and I haven't really seen anybody showing up yet to talk to me about how they want to go about this. I didn't take the duct tape off or nothing because it's nice and tidied up right now, and I figured for putting her into the water is probably better that way, but we'll see what the guys from the boat yard are going to have to say about this, how they want to do this. So can see that there's a lot of water getting into the boat through the pedal wheel. So that isn't watertight right now. Shitty. Yeah, so the guys did a hell of a job to fix it here on the spot. We almost sunk through the pedal wheel. And put some sealing compound around it, inside and out. So now it's all sealed off. The rest of the backing plates have wooden. Well, the backing plates are made from wood, so they have to swell up a little bit. But the stuffing box of the prop shaft is dripping a bit too much, so I have to address that. But for now, I think we're in good shape. We're afloat. Next comes now the mast, and then We'll motor over into our slip. So fingers crossed, Murphy. Well, at least I got the engine running. That sounds good. So here we are, boat is afloat, engine runs. The control fitting is sealed off, the pedal wheel, they're doing good. Next, the mast.
Do what you gotta do.
Alright. So Alex, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, Alex is my rigger here today, and that gentleman just got in possession of a really cool boat, a CNC 3/4 ton that we actually toured last year, didn't buy it, and I was contemplating whether or not I would put it up and do a typical review on that, and he gave me the thumbs up. I'm okay to do so, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's coming up, guys. That's gonna be badass. Pin is now in the dish, or the mast is in the heart. We're on the water. Finally. Just need a backstay tensioner. I don't have a line for that right now. I think that's a downhaul. Oh, there's more up front. Let me check that. Excuse me, madam. We're having problems with the cable shit there. We made a little oopsie with the cables. Or it might be that the light isn't good. So we have problems, no anchor light, no steam light. So everything that goes up the mast is not doing. It's just frustrating. So, Navcom, there she goes. So I got wind indication, 090 with 13, and we got foot in depth, 9.6, that works. So that's good. We got radio going. Okay, radio's off. We leave that on for now. Yeah, those instruments seem to be correct. Wind is coming from over there, so that indication is correct. That is what the instrument tells us. I don't have any lights up there. I don't know why.
Run. Whew.
Wow, we made it. So we splashed her, she's in the slip, she is under engine, probably the best boat in terms of maneuverability that I ever had. It turns on a dime. So really nice. Super nice. Okay. And this one, let's see, maybe I pull her over here. There's another anchor point up here. Okay. Alright, that should do for now. So she's secure here, she's secure there. Nothing can happen here and there. Fenders are good. That's a good position. Still has enough wiggle room that she can move a little bit. Let's get to her.